Getting married is not adding more comforts to each other. It's your ability to look at the person, what they are, how they are, trying to fit your spouse into a mold or a stereotype that a wife should be like this, a husband should be like this, and they are supposed to play this role and they are supposed to be behaving like this, will only make you more and more straining the relationship, and it doesn't go anywhere. One important factor is the patterns that one develop in their living together, the patterns of behaving or responding to each other. Okay, let us say that if one spouse is angry about the other because some expectation is not being taken care, and then that anger is shown in a particular way, and the receiving side, the spouse would have responded or reacted in a particular way. And then that's how these patterns are formed over a period of time. These patterns appear that they are helping you to kind of sail through your marital life to some extent, but what you have to realize is they are very short-lived, or they are rewarding in the short term. When it comes to long-term building a better bonding between the spouses or between the relationships and all that, what is more important is your ability to take what it is and then able to sit and then able to discuss and resolve it as and when at the earliest will help you to kind of not set these unhealthy patterns and then build the relationship over these unhealthy patterns. When you actually approach for help, be it professional help or an elderly person trying to resolve issues, what is more important is not trying to kind of it's all right, forget, past is past, but what is more important is your ability to identify these patterns that are making the relationship more and more dysfunctional, and your ability to change towards something more healthy. So this is all it is, and then your ability to connect to your partner depends on looking at the partner for what they are and not for what you want them to be like. Thank you.